Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, this is a DIY channel, so make sure to go and subscribe and all that good fun stuff. Let's get started. First of all, you'll need to cut out 4 side pieces of cardboard and 1 square piece to cover the top of your softbox. I'll put the measurements of my pieces up on the screen somewhere, but you can use your own. Just use whatever works with the amount and size of cardboard that you have. Remember to include flaps of whatever size on the pieces. This will make it 1,000 times easier to stick the pieces and keep everything together. Once you have all the pieces ready, stick them together and leave one side free so you have one big flat piece of cardboard. Next, you'll want to go right on outside and spray paint one side of the cardboard with black spray paint. Alternatively, you can just paint it with acrylic paint or cover it with black paper or material. Once this is done, flip the piece you have over and stick aluminium foil down on that side. I'm scrunching up the foil because apparently it'll help reflect the light better. I used Potch to stick it down, but regular white or clear glue should work just fine. When you're done, stick the remaining 2 free sides together with the foil side on the inside. I used white duct tape to do this, and then I went in with more foil paper to cover up the tape that I used. Take the square piece and glue it onto the smaller opening using the flaps. Cover the inside with foil. Measure out a hole just big enough to fit the lamp holder you're using in the center of the square. Quick little segue into the connections. You'll need a power cord, power plug and lamp holder for this. Open up the lamp holder, split the cord if necessary and expose the wires. Attach the exposed wires to the lamp holder and screw them down. Enough for a connection, but not so tight that the wire could break. Close the lamp holder and attach the other end of the power cord to the power plug. If you aren't really sure or aren't willing to fiddle with wires, then you can get the cord, plug and lamp holder attached at a hardware store. The lamp holder I used had this additional screw-on clamp thing, and I removed that and put the lamp holder into the hole in the center of the square piece, then clamped it down on the other side and then attached the light bulb. The next step is to add a white material to the remaining open side. Any white piece of material should do. All I'm doing for this is cutting the cloth to size and using double-sided tape to keep it in place. I folded it over before sticking it down to give the edges a cleaner finish. Also, you can always remove the cloth in the event that you need to change the globe you're using. I won't be adding a stand to this, and I'll just play around with the setup when I take my videos, but if you want a video and a stand for this, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. That's it for this week's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next Wednesday with something else to keep your life interesting, your hands busy and your mind occupied. Okay, cool, bye!